The ad is just the invitation. The landing page is where the money is made. Today, I'll show you how to spy on competitors' funnel to see exactly how they convert their traffic into purchases. You know what they say, the ad is the trailer, the funnel is the movie. If you can have the best ads in the world, but your funnel is weak, you lose. Your competitors might be A/B testing their pages right now. So let's learn from their experiments without spending a dime on traffic. Most funnel teardowns that I usually see miss the sequence. So let's map this properly, and I'm going to show you how to do this the best way possible. We're going to map the entire journey, the landing page, the offer, the upsell, and the emails that comes after. I'm going to show you the tools to record all of this automatically so you don't have to do this yourself, and we'll be able to reverse engineer your competitor's funnel end to end. There's a platform that allows you to do this automatically, and it's called Panoramata. You'll be able to track every single of your competitors automatically without having to think about it. Their ads, emails, landing pages, social posts, and much more. You'll be able to see their entire funnel and how much they're using it as well historically. This is one of our greatest features, and you can even see all the changes and A/B tests that they're doing on any landing page as well. So we'll label each step by job. Reduce friction, build trust, increase AOV, average order value. Then you'll have to copy the logic, not the layout. So we'll identify traffic sources, then we'll walk the funnel like a customer, and finally we'll extract the patterns so you can test them out for you immediately. By the end, you'll have a funnel map and a punch list of improvements that you can make for your own business. Funnel tracking matters because you learn what ads send to, what landing pages, and how the funnel converts. On Panoramata, you can do this pretty easily. You just need to go on any of your competitors, go on the ads, save the ads that you like, have a look at their landing pages, save them into your account, and for each one of these landing pages, you can see how the landing pages changed over time, which ads are linked towards this specific landing page, and how much in time it was used by this specific competitor. You can have a look and a further down look at the ads, and you'll be able to tag them by angle and offer, save them the way you'd like, and even share them with your team as well. Otherwise, if you'd like to do this manually, you can still. To find the landing pages, go on their website, click on their ads, look for a few regular pages like landings, waitlist, quiz, join their email, follow the CTS. Again, you don't want to do this automatically. Panoramata is here to help you. Once you do have access to the landing pages, you can now classify them. The most common types are direct response, buy now, lead generation, if they want to capture an email, webinar registration, ebook and content download, a sales page, a waitlist coming soon page as well. And those are the main ones available for pretty much every kind of business. And each type has a different goal: acquisition, nurture, and conversion. Then, one of my favorite steps, audit their message match. Compare the ad headline versus the landing page headline. If the promise changes, conversion usually leaks. Write down the exact one-sentence promise they repeat across the funnel. For instance, one of my favorite examples here is AG1. AG1 is a supplement company based in the US. They have practically one single product, but you can see that they have specific landing pages for specific targeted kind of customers that they'd like to acquire. For instance, women, fathers, mom, runners. They have specific landing pages for each one of these personas and specific ads as well. Then have a look at how the landing page is structured. My favorite things to look at are the social proof, testimonials, reviews, logos, big numbers, the mechanism, how it works, how it makes it different, how they're actually advertising their product, the urgency as well, if there's a limited time, a limited stock, or a limited bonus as well. And then, of course, map the steps after the landing page. What's the confirmation page? Is there an upsell? Which email do you receive after? This is how you learn their growth levers, how they increase their retention, how they nurture their leads. And then, of course, Even if this takes time, this is one of the most important things that you should do. Track the landing page changes over time. You can see if an offer is being tested, if there's a big promotion or seasonal changes coming, or if a specific channel is scaling as well. If you do this time to time consistently, you get a real picture of their strategy, not just snapshots. Then when it comes to inspiration, don't copy blindly. Copy what works. Their message, their proof structure, the clarity, but every time rebuild it so it actually matches your brand, your tone, and your unique advantage. If you want to do this automatically, track all your competitors right away and get hundreds and thousands of examples available for you and your next landing pages, go on Panoramata. This is the easiest way to collect everything that your competitors are doing, and you'll be able to map their funnels in a click so you can actually outperform them effectively.